Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to complete a with a trace objective in Arc Raiders, where you have to find signs of who brought down the Arc machines. This step confuses a lot of players, so I'll explain exactly what to look for and where to go. So first, let's understand the task. With a trace is all about environmental clues. You're not just killing arcs or looting items. You're searching for evidence of human activity that shows someone else damaged or disabled the arc machines. These signs usually appear as wreckage, sabotage marks, or areas where arcs were clearly taken down by weapons or explosives. So when you enter the mission area, focus on zones where arcs commonly patrol or where battles are likely to happen, such as industrial sections, research facilities, or broken urban areas. What you have to look for is destroyed arc machines, burn marks or blast damage, scrap parts scattered on the ground, and equipment that looks like it was used by humans. These visual clues are what the game counts as signs, so make sure to look for every sign you encounter. Move slowly and scan your surroundings. The evidence is usually near. Downed arc bodies, crashed arc drones, and areas with cover like walls, containers, or barricades. Once you find a destroyed arc, go close to it and interact or let the objective update automatically. The mission will register that you have found a trace of who brought it down. Let me give you an important tip here. Not every destroyed arc counts. The game wants specific locations where the mission objective is active. So always make sure your map and mission tracker are selected with a trace before you start searching. Another key thing is these locations are often contested. Other players also come here to complete the same objective, so you have to be alert, clear the area first, listen for footsteps, and avoid looting too long in one place. If you're struggling to find a trace, check high traffic arc patrol routes, look near crashed machines, explore research or industrial zones, stay close to mission marked areas. Once the mission updates, you're done. That means you've successfully found proof that someone brought down the arc machines. So let's summarize today's video. What you have to do is select with a trace mission. Go to Arc Patrol or conflict zones, find destroyed Arc machines with signs of human damage, approach them and let the objective complete. Stay alert because these spots are dangerous and often attract other players. So yes, this was it for today's video. If this guide helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more Arc Raider guides, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.